Well, good evening. It's about 5:20, 5:25, and yay, I'm up at a time I'm not usually awake. Uh, yeah, I'm going to a friend's engagement party, boss's son. So, yay, I'm awake. I'm hoping he's going to have a good life. I think he's doing a good thing. He's I've watched him grow up over the last 15 years, 17 almost, 16 and a half. Yeah, so he's grown up in that time. He's become a pretty good young man. Don't tell him I said that. He's actually become a pretty good man. Uh, so I hope this is a good thing for him. And I'm going to get over and be a part of this procession, I guess, to, between singles to couple to hitched, and hopefully past that for a long time. I hope he has a long, prosperous marriage. Uh, One of the better indicators for that is the fact that his mom and dad are both still married, and most of his aunts and uncles still are. I think that's kind of the cultural thing. Indians have a tendency to actually stick together and work things out, which is good. So, yeah, I'm hoping that, he has a good life. But I am going to go and enjoy being part of this and, another step in his life. So I'm going to enjoy being a part of it, and hey, nothing else, there's food involved, so I'm definitely going to be happy about that. From what I understand, it's mainly vegetables of some sort or another, but I like vegetables. I'm not afraid of my veggies. I enjoy them. And when it comes down to Indian food, the cuisine, I like that stuff. I like that stuff a lot. So, yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, last night was very interesting at my job. Uh, yeah, bunch of people came in, sold out. I was real busy for checking people in and out. I actually earned my full paycheck this time, which is good. And I made sure that the breakfast was up and going so that when my relief showed up, I was able to walk out and not feel bad about leaving her there to deal with it on her own. She probably got stomped anyway, but past my shift, and it was well loaded when she got there. So, yeah, it is what it is. In April, here I am, and I've been up for almost an hour plus now. Actually, almost 2 full hours now. Tomorrow morning is going to be murder. Get done with this, go to work all night, get off in the morning, and let's see, basically 4 o'clock to 7 something tomorrow morning when my relief gets there, and then I come home and say I go straight to bed and my relief actually gets there on time. I get to bed by 8. Yeah, 8 to 4, so yeah, I'll have been up a good 16 hours if I go straight to bed at 8. My relief usually doesn't show up until about 8 on Sundays. Yeah. And then I usually end up talking with her for a while. It's the hazard of having a friend that you work with. You actually converse with them, even when you are at the Evil W. So, yeah, it is what it is. But that's okay. Go and enjoy some time here with the friends and family. And yeah, wish well for a kid that I've watched grow up, bits and pieces here and there. Like I said, he's turned into pretty good, and well, go over here and be a part of it. But come tomorrow, by the time I actually get off work, I'm definitely going to be tired. And that's a good thing. But I won't be getting anything done tomorrow morning. Didn't get nothing done this morning. So, yeah. Well, about all I wanted to do when I got home today was eat and sleep. And that's exactly what I did, eat and sleep. I got home and I was done by... I was eating at 8 o'clock. And I was snoring by 8:30, so... yeah. Problem is, my next door neighbor was mowing his lawn, and then across the street neighbor decided to mow their lawn, and then across the street at an angle decided to mow their lawn. I think I started something by mowing my lawn yesterday morning. So yeah. 4 lawns got mowed in 24-hour period, roughly. And mine was with an electric mower. Oh, and I messed up my electric mower. I hit a brick under there, and yeah. Electric mowers are made with a lot of plastic. The blade is still attached, but the part that kept it, and the little pins that kept it so it spun with the motor, yeah, a couple of those are not there. So my blade just sits there and spins when the motor, doesn't spin as fast. I'll get up under there with some JB Weld and stick it back together and tighten it all back up and do it that way. More work. It is what it is. So that'll be something. I got most of the lawn done. There's a couple of little bits. The bees didn't like me disturbing them, and after I had cleared it off and, in one area, and then went back and cleared it off in another area near them, and I tried to go across the front of there, well, they didn't cotton too well to being disturbed 3 times, and decided they wanted to be very irritated. So I decided I needed to quit working in that area. So there's still some grass and weeds in that area that need to be hit. And then there was some back behind the tree, and, well, there were some bricks over in that area that I need to go in and pick up because, oh yeah, I don't want to break something else. Yeah. Fun stuff. But I will be getting back out there probably. I don't know. I may try tomorrow morning, but most likely won't because I will be. Yeah, I've been up way too long already. My day started way too early. But I will definitely still have some stuff to do on Monday, Tuesday. Oh, and the colonoscopy got rescheduled from this Wednesday. Yeah, they moved me from July to June. Had to reschedule it again. Now I'm all the way out into September. Fun stuff. Anyway. Yeah, matter of fact, I'll have to talk to some folks about getting down there to get that done then, as opposed to now, because, hey, I've been rescheduled. Life goes on. Anyway. It's time for me to get on the road, so I'm going to put this thing into mode and get it going. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. It is June 15th. Sorry, I didn't even say that this morning. Williams, Philippines, June 15, 2024. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.